Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you, everybody? Okay, really, I'm so excited with this video. Reason is, this is my favorite autoresponder, Aweber. Of course, I have like a couple of others, but this is my favorite one. The good thing is they have just introduced a free plan. I mean, it's really a very good, happy news for anybody who wants, because anybody who are in online, they need to have an autoresponder, right? Only MailChimp is a free version. You would have heard, like, there are lots of free versions out there, but MailChimp is normally famous one for the free version, I mean to say. But Aweber is a top notch. Two things, Aweber or GetResponse is like many people's favorite, many affiliate marketers favorite. My favorite is Aweber, and they are giving you free. Why not use this opportunity, guys? I mean, just imagine, even after like what are they giving is like everything. I think 500. What is the limit? Let's see what is the limit. I think they're giving you 500. I suppose you get all the features, but there is, I just note down some limits are there. Yeah, let me show you what is the limit. Okay, 500 subscribers. So up to 500 subscribers it's free, and up to 3,000 emails you can send monthly. That's like good enough for any newbie, guys. It's really good enough for any newbies. And all the API integrations, unlimited users, free migration, 24 hours. Their support is the top notch, I'm telling you, because I use regularly, so I know what I'm talking about. So 500 subscribers, it might be if you feel less, but if you can get that 500 subscribers, and if you can make money with them, like when you promote any affiliate offers with them, of course you're going to get generating income, right? When you generate income, surely you can pay the basic plan, which is $19 per month, which is giving you like 2,500 or something. So that's, guys, it's like a golden opportunity. Might be, people are, suffering due to this pandemic, and every online businesses are really coming up with new ways to attract people. And I think Aweber has come up with that, and because it's a top-notch company, and I know what's they're really been delivering always, it's top-notch, okay, in terms of services. Aweber, GetResponse, you ask any top affiliate marketer, they will, between these two, or sometimes ActiveCampaign. But anyway, that's, everybody has their own favorite. But as I said, since I regularly use, as soon as I got the mail, I thought I should do a video and tell you guys about this opportunity. Why not? As I said, once you comfortable with, like, once just imagine if you can get that 500 people fast, if you can generate promoting any offers and stuff. The best part is they also started these landing pages. You can also use their own landing pages. Like, it's not that good, but you can still use it. If not, I'll leave a link for that free funnel builder software, where you can create landing pages and you can integrate with Aweber, and you can start generating leads. Okay, and in case, like, if you're really good enough, within a month or 2 months, 3 months, if you have got 500 already, see this is a pro version. It's 19, I think. Okay, I don't know. Okay, it might be they're giving some discount. Say 14.9. Okay, this is like a yearly version. If not, it's going to be 19. For the yearly, you're going to save some money. So this is a pro version. You will be like getting 16.5. Like 0 to 500 is free, and above that you will be paying this. This, you think, in the time span of 3 months or so, within 2 or 3 months, if you can generate 500 or more, that 500 that buyer leads, it will be your buyer leads who will be buying products from you. You need to nurture them, promote free offers to them, free products to them, and once they start buying from you, it's like they believe in you. Then it's like the money which you're going to get, you can use in these softwares. That's how we do it. So this is like free 500. About that, you're going to pay this pro version. Yeah, you can see that. And in terms of features, see this, everything is included. What is not included? Let's see this. Well, email split testing, it's not that a big issue. Behavioral automation, okay. Branded click, okay. I mean, it's not really a big difference, guys. Of course, if you're really big professional, like you have like 10,000, 20,000 leads, you might want to do these things, kind of testing stuff. But as a beginner, this is like you get everything part of the front end free version. Landing pages, everything included. What's not included? Remove Aweber brand. Well, that's not a big deal. Why not? When you're on Aweber, why not join even the Aweber advocates and start promoting Aweber as well? Well, it's simple as that. When you use a product, if you like it and love it, you can always promote and inform others. When you're benefiting, as well as you're helping somebody to benefit, because it's like a very good quality software you're recommending, right? I mean, they also can make money by promoting the product which they use. That's the best affiliate marketing, you know what I mean? Of course, I promote other products as well, but when we promote a product which you use personally, you feel so happy, you know. That's what I'm doing now. Okay, you can also do that. Okay, so I'm sure guys, you get almost all the features. Why not just I'm going to leave a link below, get it, and just make use of the opportunity which you have got now. Like, you know, this, like, in my I don't know, 5 years or so, I never thought like Aweber is coming up with this opportunity. Might be, you know, now the times are tough and everybody wants to do something for the community, and they also want to, you know, make, you know, people comfortable with. It's basically you get to learn something, you know, about use the software, and once you're comfortable, then you can really jump onto that. You know, if you don't like, just leave it and go to whichever. You know, I feel, to my knowledge, the top affiliate marketers, they use is Aweber. If not GetResponse, if not Maximum Active Campaign, these three are like that. If you take, like, you know, top affiliates, it will be between these three, I feel. I mean, there are lots of others, one-time fee, like Sendio, Meetvio. There are lots of softwares out there. I'm not saying not good. Well, that's what everybody has their own favorite, guys. Okay, so it's your wish. So if you like to go for it, and I've also done a video, I'll leave a link below somewhere. Might be that's the full inside view of the Aweber, about like the process and stuff. You can check that video as well. So if you like to get it, you can get it through my link, and I mean, that'll be cool. So if you're watching first time, make sure you subscribe, and so that I can to do some cool videos like these when it happens, or I do regular review videos of software products, which you can see in my channel. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.